After 3 glorious months of using this for meal prep, let me show you the Fullstar slicing and dicing features and what I use each for. Number 1, it chops. This half-inch chopper is capable of doing cubes or spears. We've even done perfect French fries. Just slice the vegetable or fruit to the desired thickness and go. 2, it chops smaller. Check out these perfect tiny potato cubes. This is awesome for onions, chives, or other bits you need really little. 3, it spiralizes. This is so easy and satisfying. Whether you're trying to make a beautiful garnish or just want extra thin slices, this works beautifully. 4, it ribbons. I love this for zucchini noodles because they come out the perfect thickness for zucchini spaghetti, but it's great for anything you need to cut into tiny ribbons. This little chopper is still sharp 4 months later, even with frequent use, and it saved me so much time. I've gone from 15 to 30 minutes of chopping per meal to 5. I can't recommend this enough. I hope you love it too.